Welcome to my channel. Linksys Velop Pro 6E Setup. 1. Unbox and position the nodes. Place the primary Velop Pro 6E node near your modem and position additional nodes in central locations for optimal coverage. 2. Power up the main node. Plug the primary node into a power outlet and connect it to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Wait for the LED to turn solid purple. 3. Download the Linksys app. Install the Linksys app on your smartphone or tablet, available on iOS and Android. 4. Create or log into your Linksys account. Open the app and sign in or create a new account if you don't have one. 5. Start the setup process. Tap Set up a new Wi-Fi network in the Linksys app and follow the on-screen instructions. Six. Connect to the Velop Pro 6E Wi-Fi. The app will ask you to connect to the temporary Velop Pro 6E Wi-Fi network to proceed with setup. 7. Configure your Wi-Fi network. Enter a Wi-Fi name, SSID, and a strong password for your new Velop mesh network. 8. Add additional nodes, if any. If you have extra Velop nodes, place them in different areas and let the app automatically detect and add them to your network. 9. Firmware update. The system will check for firmware updates and apply necessary configurations. Let the process complete. 10. Test and connect devices. Once setup is complete, reconnect your smartphones, laptops, and smart devices to the new Velop Pro 6E Wi-Fi network for a seamless experience. Thank you for watching.